How to fix screen overlay detected on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide. In this guide video, I'll show you the way on how you can fix if screen overlay has been detected on Android. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now sometimes whenever you're trying to use your phone in a normal way or open some applications, it simply gives you the error of screen overlay detected, and in order to fix that, it is actually very simple. All you have to do is go ahead and then open up settings. Once you open settings, on the list of these options, just go to the option called apps. So just tap on apps, and on apps, tap on the three dots on the top right corner of the screen and go to special access. Once you go to special access, over here you have to select the option called apps that can appear on top or appear on top option. So tap on appear on top. As you do that, you can see a list of these applications that has the appear on top enabled. So you just have to locate the app which you think is causing the issue. Once you locate that particular app, you just want to go ahead and then turn off that particular toggle. And when you turn off that toggle, most likely it is going to fix the issue, because if the appear on top is actually disabled, you will not be able to fix the issue. So just go ahead and then actually make sure you have turned on the toggle. If this doesn't work, then come back and then tap on the three dots again. Select reset app preferences, tap on reset and restart the device. Most likely this should definitely work. Hopefully this video answered your question. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.